So welcome back to Making Materials, and this is the second video for the game Superhero Smackdown. So last time I introduced these character cards. Actually, last time I introduced the mini character cards with the statistics on the back. These are larger copies of the same cards, which are used on the board. So first of all, we're going to have 4 teams for this game, and we're going to offer the students to choose random characters. One team at a time. Choose one card, choose one card, choose one card, choose one card, and around the circle again until each team has 4 heroes, which I've already prepared here. So here we have Team 1, Flash, Mr. Fantastic, Batman, Magneto, connected by a line to Team 2, the Hulk, Angel, Storm, Iron Man, Team 3, Silver Surfer, Professor X, Superman, the Human Torch, and Team 4, Spider-Man, Electro, Catwoman, Nightcrawler. In the middle we have a space for versus, which reminds the key grammar. Dare is or more than dare. So these teams are going to fight it out here. First of all, we would review the statistics from the cards, like I showed you last time. So we have intelligent, wealthy, attractive, strong, agile, fast. So review the meaning of these words and which one goes with which pattern. So wealthy, strong, fast go with the ER pattern, and more goes with intelligent, attractive, agile. Okay. We're also going to be using superlatives today. We're going to be using this basic structure. The, in the world, is. This is how we choose which team gets to attack. We start each round with a quiz question. So I will show the students a picture. For example, this picture. And I will introduce the idea of this picture. So in this case, this is the world's tallest woman. The world's tallest woman. So, the tallest woman. The tallest woman in the world is, and we want an answer in centimeters. So this is what we're looking at. The tallest woman in the world is how many centimeters? So after introducing this picture, we will give this quiz question to the students. The students will have 30 seconds to think in their teams of their answer. Then after 30 seconds, we'll ask each team to give an answer. So, Team 1, what do you think? And they will say, the world's tallest woman is, let's say, 210 centimeters. Okay? Team 2, what do you think? We think the world's tallest woman is 236 centimeters. Okay? Team 3, what do you think? We think the world's tallest woman is 199 centimeters. Team 4, we think the world's tallest woman is 212 centimeters. When all the teams have guessed, I will tell them the correct answer, which I got off the internet. How tall is the world's tallest woman? The world's tallest woman is 233 centimeters. She's Yao Defen from China. So we check their answers against the truth. So the team that was closest to the right answer, 233, was this team, Team 2. So because they were the closest, Team 2 gets to attack another team. To attack, they choose one of their heroes. They'll usually choose one with a 10 in the statistics, so let's say they choose the Hulk. And they can attack either team that they are connected to by a pink line. So they can attack Team 1, they can attack Team 3, but they can't attack Team 2. Okay, so let's say, for example, that they decide to attack the Human Torch. So they decide to attack Team 3. So now we have the Hulk versus the Human Torch. So we'll ask this team, how do you want to attack? And they will have to use this sentence structure. The Hulk is than the Human Torch. So we take the Hulk card. See the Hulk, very strong, so I'm sure they would choose this. So The Hulk is stronger than the Human Torch. We ask the team with the Human Torch to check the points. Strong 5, strong 10. So the Hulk wins, and the Human Torch is eliminated from the game. Successful attack, the Hulk goes back to his team. So Team 3 have lost one hero already. Each round there are 2 attacks. This team has attacked, and we have one more attack, the team who is the next closest. So this team is the next closest to the answer. So Team 4 also gets to attack this round. Each round, 2 attacks. So they can attack either team that they are connected to with a pink line. But I make a rule that the same team cannot be attacked twice in one go. So Team 3 was attacked already, so they are now safe, which means Team 4 has to attack Team 1. So let's say they choose Spider-Man to attack Magneto. Spider-Man. Maybe. So Spider-Man is more agile than Magneto. Magneto, how many points? Agile 5. Spider-Man 10. So successful attack. So Spider-Man goes back to his team. Magneto is knocked out of the game. So after one round, 2 heroes should be eliminated. We then do the next round. Next round will be a new quiz question. So we'll clean this. And we'll do the next one. The in the world is. So I'll quickly go through my questions. The next picture is this one, which goes with the question, how old was the oldest person in the world? She's dead now, which is why it's in the past tense, but at the time of her death, she was 122 years old. So again, whichever team guesses the closest to the correct answer gets priority on attack. The next picture is this one, and the accompanying question is, how fast is the world's fastest animal? And I emphasize running, not flying or anything. So cheetah, 112 kilometers an hour. So again, I'm going to be writing here, the fastest animal in the world is kilometers per hour. So they have the pattern for their guess. The next question is Bolt, so basically the same. How fast is the world's fastest man? If we're just on the cheetah, what about Bolt? Next picture. Oh, sorry. Next picture is not connected with this card. Next one, there's no picture to go with it. What is the most spoken language in the world? I actually changed this one. I actually asked them, Japanese is the most spoken language, and they had to guess the number. Japanese is the most spoken language, just to make a bit of variety. Though actually, 4 or 5 quiz questions should take the whole lesson. That should be enough to cover a whole lesson. So this is quiz set 1. The students liked this game so much that I created a second set of questions so I could play it one more time with them. So this is set 2. Yeah. So this picture is actually the start of set 2. So how tall is the world's shortest living man? 67 centimeters. Next picture. How heavy was the world's heaviest person? She's still alive, but she's lost weight, which is why it's in the past tense. So 727 kilograms. Students usually guess about half that weight. And this one I don't show them the picture until after the question, and they're usually very surprised when they see it. So next question. I show them the mosquito and explain that the mosquito is the world's most dangerous animal. Then the question is, so the mosquito is the world's most dangerous animal. What about the elephant? The elephant is the most dangerous animal. and they have to guess what they think the number is. So the elephant is the 6th most dangerous animal. So, and then I read out the list down until elephant. So, elephant, just to clarify that question for them. Next question, how high is the world's highest mountain? It's Mount Everest, 8,848. Next quiz question. This pair of shoes, this is actually diamond covered Nikes. And the question is, how much is the most expensive pair of shoes in the world? I have the price in dollars and in yen, they can choose. Okay, so again, that's just another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions really. That's enough to do a whole lesson, because they also have to, after each quiz question, there will be 2 attacks. Students absolutely loved this game. It's a great practice for comparatives and superlatives, and it was a really good way of changing a game. Say the original format of just using like top trumps cards failed. They didn't speak English. With this new version, the speech is much more controlled. We're calling on students to give out answers. We're calling on students to make attacks where all the class can hear. And we can get repetitions from the class. So when one student says, Electro is stronger than Professor X, we get the whole class to repeat, Electro is stronger than Professor X. Okay, let's check. It works much, much better. Okay, so that is the game Superhero Smackdown. A good lesson in how to adapt games that don't work and how you can make something that does work from them. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll be making more videos soon. Bye bye.